How to walk slowly in Roblox PC. The first thing you have to do is to enter an experience on Roblox. So just pull up your web browser at first, go to roblox.com, and then don't forget to log into your account so you can join any experience. Now for this example, I'm gonna be trying to join the Blocks Fruits. So I'll just go ahead and search it here. Right here. So once you join the game, this is gonna be the one who will appear. Now, for this kind of experience, all you have to do is you have three options here. First thing to walk slowly is to spam your W or your forward key. So you can spam it to walk slowly. Second thing is you can change the settings. Just click on the Roblox icon, go to settings, and then change the movement method to click to move. Now to save, click on resume. So it works the same. If you press and hold on your right click, it will run, and then if you spam it, it will walk slowly. The other thing is go back to settings and then change the movement mode to default. So the default is on your keyboard. So for you to be able to walk slowly, just press Control key once, and then it will automatically walk slow. And then to run, press the Control key again to run.